You're gonna learn some shots today and some dunks. Okay, let's get started. Okay. This is called the cripple throw. Curl up your arms like this, you just gotta flick your wrist. Just watch. Ready? I almost made it that time. Just watch again. Just gotta. Okay, now this is called the gay throw. You have to go up to the basket and go. You gotta hit it with your balls though. You just gotta. Okay? Now this is called the soccer. You just gotta. Just gotta go like that. Okay, now let's watch some dunks. I call this the windmill dunk. So here's what you do. Start waving your arms like this. You just go. But you're supposed to make it. And this is the other dunk, the sliding dunk. You just gotta go. Last dunk for you today. Call this the drumstick dunk. Take a drumstick and you just go.